Tired of manually refreshing your Power BI dashboards? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to let users trigger a dataset refresh directly from the report using Power Automate. Start by creating a flow in Power Automate using the Power BI button clicked trigger. Then add the Refresh a Dataset action and select the correct workspace and dataset. Next, head into your Power BI report, click on Power Automate in the ribbon, and hit Edit in the top right corner. Choose the flow you just created from the list. Once you publish the report to the Power BI service, users can simply click the button to refresh the data instantly, no schedule, no waiting, just on-demand updates at your fingertips. Like, share, and subscribe for more Power BI tips.